Welcome to the Mechanical World. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for supporting my channel. In this video I will share some knowledge about the mechanical properties of different materials. There are different mechanical properties, as all of you know, about tensile strength, impact strength, fatigue strength, as well as creep strength, etc, etc. But these four of them will be main important things for everywhere we are using in oil refinery industry, piping and all different materials, structural materials, everything. First, for stainless steel, it is main thing will be the chromium. Chromium plays a main role in corrosion resistance. So ferrous material is the main component, will be main element will be the chromium. That improve the corrosion resistance property. And second one is the grip strength. Grip strength is nothing but the load as well as the temperature. Both of them will be applied on the same time. It's mainly applicable for low alloy steel, P11, P22, P91, etc. So in this molybdenum and corrosion resistance, that chromium also plays a main vital role in this grip strength. So for low alloy steel, it is a main component element. Then next one is the fatigue strength. Fatigue strength, we have all of you know, there is cyclic load, that is a repeated load applied. As for oil refinery, everything there will be pipe service will be flowing continuously, that we have to withstand that metal, weld metal also we have to withstand. That's fatigue strength. So all of you heard about that is toe of the weld metal should be blunt for improving the fatigue strength. If the toe will be sharp edges like that, means it will affect the fatigue strength. So it will be important thing. Then the last one is the impact strength property. Impact strength property plays main role in LTCS material and also stabilized titanium based stainless steels. LTCS, low temperature carbon steel material, impact strength is will be very much important. Nickel plays the main element because only they are using ER80S Ni1. Nickel 1% will be there for a filler where they are using LTCS material. LTCS as well as other, I already mentioned some stabilized stainless steel also 321, and the inconal, monal, and all we need the minus degree, minus 27 degree, minus 45 degree, and all they have to withstand the suddenly applied load. That will be main important thing. That material, in this material, nickel based alloys as well as some other non-ferrous materials should withstand this mechanical property. So in this one, nickel plays a main role. I think you have to get some knowledge about these mechanical properties and share more about these mechanical properties in the next video. Please stay.